Guys, today meron tayong i-review something na hindi karaniwan dito sa aking channel. It's a walkie-talkie / two-way radio na dual SIM. And this is from our friends from Cherry Mobile, and this one is binili ko sarili nung 5.5 ng presyong 1,900. Hindi lang isa, but dalawa na to. Gusto na malaman kung kamusta ang performance naman nito? Tara! Usap tayo. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, kita natin, this is the WT1 na walkie-talkie phone. And it's made by Cherry Mobile. Sariling atin. Out of the box. Very simple lang siya. Mukha nga siyang walkie-talkie. No nonsense. It's, dual SIM siya, may walkie-talkie siya, may flashlight pa siya, and may wireless FM radio pa. I mean, what more can you ask for? And the best of all, expandable pa ang kanyang memory, which is surprising kahit wala siyang camera. Now, taking a quick look dito sa phone nito / walkie-talkie, this is the UHF or ultra high frequency na antenna. This is the flashlight. Sa likod, pwede ka maglagay ng belt clip dito. Then, dito ang iyong flashlight button. Ito ang talk button, push to talk button. Then, dito ang kanyang keypad, numpad, or whatever pad you call this. As long as you're born in the 90s or early 2000, I'm sure nakagamit ka na ito. Now, ito ang power button. Then, dito sa kabila ang kanyang headphones. And of course, ang kanyang charging port na micro USB. Buksan muna natin ang isang box na sa loob, and this is the quick specs ng phone na ito / walkie-talkie. So, UHF siya 400 to 470 MHz ang kanyang bandwidth, no, or signal. Then, dual SIM na siya, dual band na siya, 1.77-inch na LCD display, Bluetooth version 3, flashlight, multimedia player, play music, Class 12 na GPRS, meaning pwede to mag-internet ng pinaka-basic. Then, wireless FM radio and up to 32 gigs ng expansion ng memory. Now, buksan muna natin to and tingnan natin kung what's inside. This one is yung belt clip na i-mount natin in a little later. Meron siyang charging cable na micro USB na nakakabit na sa kanyang adapter. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng charging head. Of course, andito ang kanyang battery na mataba. This is roughly 2,300 mAh na storage. And of course, how can I forget? Meron pa palang siyang headphones na normally hindi mo na makikita to sa mga smartphones these days. Ayun. And if you're using Nokia before in the 90s and early 2000, you know what this is. Basic headphones. And of course, ang kanyang user manual na isang pirasong papel. And that's it. Wala na ibang laman. So, quickly, i-mount lang natin itong belt clip. And best of all, may libreng screwdriver. So, taking a quick look inside, kita natin dual SIM plus may micro SD na expansion. Ayos, di ba? Lalagay lang natin ating battery, snap, then itatakpan na natin siya. Ganon. Para hindi biglang bumukas yung battery, lagyan ng 4 na screw dito. Then, dito ang belt clip. So, ganito magiging itsura niya pag na-clip mo na to. Medyo may kunting hirap nga lang pag-mount na itong screw na ito. Tiyagaan. Next, syempre, is pipilasin na natin itong film. Power up. The traditional Cherry Mobile na boot up music. And kita na natin ang screen ni Cherry Mobile WT1. And of course, gusto natin malaman, no, yung mga ilang kakayahan nitong walkie-talkie na ito. So, click na natin sa walkie-talkie and pwede natin ikalikot yung mga channels niya. Pindot lang tayo sa options. So, makikita na natin, no, you can set, let's say, gusto mo 440 then .000. Yan, ito ay kasi nakasave sa akin. Customize siya, no? So, ipalitan mo rin si RFD. Yan, so nakaset na siya. So, ulitin lang natin, no? Ito, pwede natin i-clear. 440.0000. So, yan ang nakaset nating channel right now. Now, if you want sa mga preset na channel, so there's a lot of channel list dito. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, until 16 channels siya, no? So, there's a lot of preset na channel here na pwede nang gamitin. So, these are yung mga commonly used na channels na, no. So, yung kanina ginamit ko 400.000 is not here sa present ng preset. So, pwede mo siya iset ng sarili. So, kita natin yan. Active na siya. So, to talk, pipindot ka lang dito. Okay. So, medyo maingay na ang channel. So, you can volume down. Okay. Down button lang para i-volume down. Pero kung gusto mong lakasan, maximum volume 8. So, pwede mo lagay sa background. So, makita mo sa itong PTT, meaning push to talk, yun ang kanyang radyo. Okay. So, push to talk. Yan ang PTT. So, pwede mo siya i-quit just like this. Tingnan natin ilan mga menu dito na pwede natin kalikutin. So, other than walkie-talkie, we have the messaging na, of course, very classic na messaging dito. So, sabihin ka lang, Gadget, space, Sidekick, nostalgic. Tinan mo, kaya ko pa rin mag-type ng mabilis kasi dyan ako nang galing sa Nokia before. So, clear. Pindot mo na itong clear. And hindi niya kaya mabilis. Kailangan isa-isa. So, sa loob ng messaging, may inbox, may draft, may outbox, may sendbox, at may setting ng iyong SMS. Then, of course, andyan ang iyong contacts. Andyan din ang multimedia na pwede kayo mag-play ng ilang images and ilang music. And of course, best is my FM radio. Kailangan mo ikabit. And what's nice is, hindi mo na kailangan ikabit ang iyong headphones. Normally, before, back in the days, kailangan mo ikabit pa ang iyong headphones or headset to make it your antenna. But this one, since meron nga pala ng UHF, so might as well utilize it and make it your personal antenna para meron kayong personal radio.
Short 2022! Wala pang nakikitang sapat na dahilan sa ngayon ang COMELEC para palawigin ang oras ng botohan ngayong eleksyon 2022. Ay kay COMELEC Commissioner George Garcia, kontrolado pa naman nilang sitwasyon sa ngayon. Una nang itinakda ng COMELEC ang pagtatapos ng botohan ganap na alas 7 ng gabi. Eleksyon 2022! Magang natapos ang pagboto para sa eleksyon 2022 ng mga persons deprived of liberty o PDL sa loob ng New Philippine prisons. Ayon,
yan. So, pwede mo i-play siya sa background habang ginagamit mo phone or pwedeng hindi rin. May sound recorder siya, video player, image viewer, and meron din siyang audio player. Meron siyang settings, services, ito ang GPRS na sobrang bagal na internet, 2G. So, a little bit of extras, alarm, calendar, clock, and yun lang, calculator. No, nothing. So, kung gusto mo, 1 plus 1 ay Magellan. Hindi pala 2. And 2 plus 2 ay Lapu-Lapu. Ay, 4 pala. 3 plus 3, Christmas tree. 6 pala. And so on and so forth. Dito may cherry zone. So, meron siyang mga basic na games. Stick to one. And kung ano man mga games na to. These are probably the basic settings na pwede mong magawa. And these are very, very self-explanatory. Ito ang mga modes dati, no? Silent, meeting, outdoor, and general. So, sa loob nito, pwede mong kalikutin and i-customize. Alert. Beep once. Ang konti lang ng tone sa meron, no? So, not sure kung pwede mo lagyan ng customized na tone mo on your own. And that's about for the tone settings. So display settings, may wallpaper pa siya, and system-defined siya, no? Pwede mo use self-defined, pwede ka maglagay ng iyong mga images dito sa loob. And of course, backlight, pwede mo i-brighter or dimmer, depende sa inyo. Lagyan natin sa 30 seconds para bago mag-shutdown or 1 minute better. So, keypad backlight, pwede natin lagay sa 10 seconds. And medyo mahina nga lang talaga ang kanyang backlight. Mapapansin mo. So guys, mapapansin nyo, this is a very basic na two-way radio as well as dual SIM phone. So you can bring this for mountain climbing. You can also use this for, of course, sa work. Let's say, nasa North Gate ka, nasa South Gate yung isa, you can always use this one to communicate. Kung hindi na madala sa, of course, SMS call, you can always use this one, ang push to talk. Now, very useful siya. Meron din siyang flashlight and some other very basic function na pwede niyong gamitin dito sa phone na ito. Now, to quickly give you just a quick rundown on how it works, buksan lang natin ang aking second unit dito, which is also the same. Now, you can freely pair this to other walkie-talkie. Of course, hindi lang naman siya limited to work only with Cherry Mobile. As long as same ang frequency, gagana yan. Now, before I forget, pag mag-lock kayo ng phone is menu and star. At mag-unlock is also menu and star, in case hindi nyo alam. So, in order to use them together, and of course, other na walkie-talkie, all you need to do is, of course, set this same frequency. 4400, 000, ang daming 0. So, try lang natin i-test. So, medyo maingay itong channel. Hello. Speaking. Hello. Hello. Ganito ang itsura. So, lalapit ko lang ang aking microphone. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Ganito ang magiging itsura and sound when you're talking on the two-way radio ni Cherry Mobile WT1. And I think this is a very useful tool, especially kung nagma-mountain climbing kayo or you are a little bit far from each other within the same building. I'm sure na abot-abot ang of course, this this walkie-talkie, and it will be very useful, especially kung ayaw nyo gumastos ng extra at of course, kakainin may globe ang load. This is probably the best way if you want to communicate within a small community. Now, I'm not quite sure kung ina walkie-talkie ang kaya to connect, and I'm sure basta as long as the same frequency, kahit ilan yan, it doesn't really matter. Probably the only downside na nakikita ko sa mga two-way radio is yung same frequency kayo ng kapitbahay mo or somebody nearby. Of course, kapag may chika kayo kinikwento, mag-ingat kayo sa mga kapitbahay nyong marites. Now guys, anong tingin nyo sa mga walkie-talkie na ganito na may dual SIM power? And I think na medyo cool siya, especially when you are within a small community, gusto nyo easily mag-communicate, hindi mo kailangan mag-dial at gumamit pa ng load. This probably is the best solution. And kung gusto nyo ng backup na phone, I'm sure sobrang mura. And this one I bought last 5.5. It's really cheap. 1,900, dalawa na siya. So it's around less than 1,000 pesos, 950 to be exact, for each of this. And I'm pretty sure mukhang sturdy siya, powerful, and yet pwede mong ibato kung saan-saan. At guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong Cherry Mobile WT1, I'll be posting everything on the description box below. Check nyo lang, and I'm sure you'll be really thrilled to use something like this together with your bike buddy, with your mountain climbing buddy. It's really nice. So guys, if you like this video, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga kakaibang review just like this one na hindi nyo makikita sa ibang reviewer. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!